Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you that how you can remove the background of any image with an AI software for completely free. So if you haven't checked out my other video where I showed that how you can remove the background of a video, I will leave a link to that video in the description box. You can go and check that out as well. So without wasting any time, let's go straight to the video. So first of all, let me choose any of the image that I want to remove the background of. First of all, go to google.com and let's say I want to remove the background of this image. Just choose any of the stock image from this. Let's say I want to remove the background of this image. So let it load. Okay, so the image is now load. Now go to another tab and type here remove.pg. What does this website do is exactly that. You just drag and drop your image on this website and the AI perform its process and automatically remove all the background. So let me just drag and drop the image over this website, and the AI is now running and it is removing the background, and now you can see that the background has been removed. So I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. By the way, you can just click on the download button and you can download this image right now.